In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM Facebook. We'll start inside HubSpot. Head to the login page and sign in like you normally would. If your team uses Google at work, it's quickest to choose Sign In with Google. Pick the Google account that already has access to your HubSpot portal. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one tied to your company's HubSpot. This helps avoid permission issues later. After you're in, you may see a list of HubSpot accounts or portals. Select the one you want to connect to Facebook. Next, open your user menu in the top right and choose Profile and Preferences. This brings you to your personal and account settings, which is where the ads connection lives. In the left sidebar, go to Marketing, then click Ads. If you haven't used the Ads tool before, you'll see an option to get started with ads. Click that to launch HubSpot's onboarding flow. This wizard is designed to walk you through connecting your ad networks in a guided, secure way. Choose Facebook as the network you want to connect. A Facebook window will open, prompting you to sign in and authorize the connection. Log in with the Facebook profile that has the right access to your business assets. When Facebook asks for permissions, allow HubSpot to read and manage your ad accounts and leads. If you run into access errors, check that you're an admin on the Facebook page and ad account you plan to use, and that you're in the correct business manager. Once connected, HubSpot will prompt you to sync leads. Click Next. Sync leads, then enable syncing for your Facebook lead ads. This ensures new leads from your Facebook forms automatically flow into HubSpot as contacts, complete with form details for segmentation and follow-up. You can fine-tune which forms sync if you only want certain campaigns to feed your CRM. You'll also see the option to connect your Facebook pixel. Linking your pixel gives HubSpot richer ad attribution, lets you build website audiences, and improves conversion reporting. If your pixel is already installed on your website, the connection simply authorizes HubSpot to use that data for ads reporting and optimization. That's it for the setup. You're signed into HubSpot, connected Facebook through the Ads tool, enabled lead syncing, and authorized pixel tracking if needed. From here, the Ads dashboard in HubSpot will begin pulling in your campaigns and results so you can report, segment, and build audiences directly from your CRM data. If anything looks off, revisit Ads settings to confirm the correct account, page, and forms are selected, and you'll be ready to launch and measure with confidence.